Hi artists, this week we are going to be creating a spooky silhouette of a haunted house for Halloween. We are going to be using value to create lighter and darker colors in the background. So if you are using the color purple or violet, for example, here is my color. It's called a hue when it's the regular color. But if you add white to that purple color, it gets lighter and it's called a tint. If you add black to the color, it's called a shade and it gets darker. So we are going to use different lightness and darkness of the same color to mix tints and shades in the background. So here we have the whole color wheel. Here are the hues, the base colors, and then when you add white, it gets lighter to make a tint. So you have pink and lilac, you have sage green, and tangerine orange. For a shade, you have darker colors. You've added a little bit of black. You have maroon. You have crimson. You can even have a darker green color like turquoise. I want to introduce you to some paper artists. We are going to be creating a silhouette, just like these artists do, to make our haunted house and our spooky drawing. So what is a silhouette? Well, a silhouette is the outline of a specific object. Now think about, how do these paper artists use silhouettes in their art? If you've thought about they cut out paper to create their designs, then you are absolutely right. And how do you think they cut these out? What tools do they use? They actually use an X-Acto knife. That is a very precise or careful cutting tool. You would not want to use that in your art, but these are adults creating their artwork, so that is the tool that they use. So here are our artists again. This is Eugenia Zolotto, and she creates paper silhouettes in her artwork, large scale artwork. Here we have Joe Bagley. Here he is working with the X-Acto knife to cut out those teeny tiny details in his artwork. He's created a building, and we are going to create our haunted house building as well.